Hey guys, it's Kayla Madonna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm pineappled up right now. I'm just getting ready for the day. So I thought I would share with you guys my go-to hairstyle when it's my last day on my wash and go using my favorite Creme of Nature product. So this is about day 7 for me. My wash and goes usually last around 5 to 7 days if I can stretch it out as long as possible. I'm going to wash my hair later, but today I have to get ready for work, so I'm going to put it in my half up, half down kind of style, real quick and easy. But when I do wash my hair, I use Purelicious Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, the leave-in hair milk to follow, and a styling pudding perfection. It kind of depends on what my hair needs that day, but this time I used the pudding perfection. So a couple other things, but I'll show you throughout the video what we're going to be using today. So first we're going to take down this pineapple scarf that I've slept in to protect my curls. See what I'm doing here, and leave. This is going to be like your bang, so you want to leave the front part out. And before I tie it up, I kind of spray the side right here and pull some little baby hairs out. And we'll go back and put some products in there to kind of make it curl up. Was this in my hair the whole time? We take the anti-humidity spray, and I'm ready to go. So thank you again for watching my Creme of Nature product review with my favorite go-to hairstyle. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video to see more hair tutorials and product reviews.